Hi guys, welcome to a new video. We are playing Slime Rancher. I already know some of it because I played on the PS4. Oh, but I won't be playing a lot. But if you guys know how to fix like the black bars on the sides about Slime Rancher game, please show me how to fix it. But we will be playing and having fun. So I hope I make this a really nice series for you guys, for a bunch of people that make you happy, and they'll be like, yippee! And I hope my video is satisfying to you guys. It's not terrible. But I know for a matter of fact that there's not going to be a lot of people watching. But I don't remember a lot. Are these... My question is, are there plorts like their leftover poop or something like that? That's my question, that to know if that's their leftover poop. Oh, look at you! You're just blue. Ow! Yeah. Present. Huh, what are you? Phosphor ornament. Oh. I'm gonna go put you at my house. No, 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 no. I got mail. Casey? Ooh, you're so cute. Die. Ooh, H. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't care. The name is Hobson, blah, blah, blah. Explorer, the farmer, owner of this here ranch. Now call your own, please, to make your home. I don't know. H. Okay. So there must be like some backstory to this shit. I only played it when I was like early on. I wasn't really into it. Take these carrots though. Ow! Can you stop boiling me? What the f... Oh. Blues! Come here! What? Haha, you guys are going to be in prison forever. I have some... Uh-oh. Have some carrots. Carrots, my pink, yeah. Oh my god, I'm mental, dude. I can't... Oh, why are the carrots here? Hehehe. Woo! Kobe. Kobe. The Joby. What? Carrot. Oh my god, this is very annoying. It's like a drum. I need to put this in here. Is that a Superman slime? Is that a... Not trying to lie, that plort kind of looked like I forgot. Meh. Rocks. What are you guys attracted to? Ow! Is there anything in here? I'm bouncing on your heads. You jealous? Chiquito. Oh, nah. There should be a bowling game, like a DLC, like carrots. Carrots, my pink, yeah. Oh my god, I'm mental, dude. I can't. Oh, why are the carrots here? Hehehe. Woo, Kobe, the Joby. What? Carrot. Oh my god, this is very annoying. It's like a drum. I need to put this in here. Is that a Superman slime? Is that a... Not trying to lie, that plort kind of looked like I forgot. Meh. Rocks. What are you guys attracted to? Ow! Is there anything in here? I'm bouncing on your heads. You jealous? Chiquito. Oh, nah. There should be a bowling game, like a DLC, like a bowling game. Strike. And then the crowd goes wild. I won't go bad. Yo. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. I really like this music. Nah, you sleep with that music on all the time. Oh my god. Ooh. Give me all the bloods. Are you okay? Ooh, now I can go set the pink plort. Oh, these hungies. Crap, I don't have enough. Hungry boys. Eat this. Guess you guys don't eat that. I'll get you guys something. Woo! Take your plorts. Woo! Oh, how do we get there? Guys were supposed to help me. I was supposed to use you. Guess we'll never know. Ooh, take those pink plorts though. What the Oh! Oh my god! It's your mom! Can I get on top of you? I completely forgot about the Gordo thing. The Gordo. Yeah. It's all I remember is the pink one. So I found it when I was younger, but didn't play a lot, so I didn't really know. I was like, I don't know. I watched Jacksepticeye play it all the time. Oh my god, it's a Caplar! Oh, it's a... Ow! I was gonna pick it up. I wanna go through there. But there's a... da 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 da. I don't care. Death. Oh, shh. Nope. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Ooh, take your pink port, though. I jump around here. I'm like a pro at this game right now. Once I finish this game, even if there's a finish... I think there's... I don't know. If there's a finishing to this game, I know I won't be dead. Ooh. Oh. Blah, 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 blah. Yada, yada, yada. Huh. Let me have it, let me have it. What? I'm just gonna follow. Should I risk it? No. Chewberry. Its shape really reminds me of a... Oh, you're joking. Ow. You fiend. Stop it. I want to have a habitat for the tabby thing. Tabby, the cat. I'm gonna just call it Chingus. Chungus. Now, your mother will die today. Oh, come on. Oh, let's go. She died. No, 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 no. Woo! Key. Key to what, though? Really? Bye-bye. Look at their sorry little... Saw nothing. Woo! Kitty! See ya. There's still a remnants of your mom still left there. No! It's not worth it, don't! Well, I suck at these, like, orb thingamajigs. I want to stick one on my Christmas tree. A phosphor. You guys hungry? Sorry, chickens. I would Oh, who are you? Who is you? Help me out there. Yo, look at this old lady. She's really doing Slime Rancher stuff. 8? God. I could get you 8 right now. But, like, the phosphor, that one, the rock one I could get, but, You dirty fiend. Okay, now I got your 8 that you want. What? Carrot. I have a carrot, guys. Oh, you guys eat carrots. Sorry, guys. Key. Now you got that. But that's a phosphor thing right there. Jetpack? I could get a jetpack? No way. Super sick. Where the hell did you... It's just one carrot. Phosphorus! Phosphor... Ow! No, you... Wait. If you eat this... No. Well, now I know where to get these. I could just simply come... Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Where'd that other phosphor boy go? There you go. Hey. Eat this. Let me see your phosphor plort. Your phosphor poop. And now we run off. Oh my gosh. Guys don't even eat chickens. Guys don't even eat chickens. I want to get an egg enclosure for the tabby slime. So it's meant for you. Do you guys eat pogo fruit? I could go buy a jetpack. Let's see what I can buy first. You don't want to spend all your money in one place. If you spend all your money in one place, let's check. Okay, there's a garden. I can grow some shit in there. Coop. Build a chicken coop. A silo. I can put gas in it? I don't know. Incinerator. So there must be like a fire slime. Water pond or something like that. Those vegans are out there be like, oh, but I don't even know what I said, but that was racist. They'll probably be like, you cannot do that. Watch me. I don't care. I will murder chickens. Okay, maybe I sound like a little bit of a killer. Oh, yeah, there's a coop. I can put the coop right here. And then I can start giving them to the cats because it's meat. Cats eat meat. Bro, what is this? Oh my god. The lab. I could be Tony Stark in this shit. The docks. Okay. The grotto. I don't know. The overgrowth. That's over there. Plort market. Oh. No. Make me some chickens. Oh, I'll gladly take that. Wait, why do I have pogo fruit? Oh. Sick. I don't know where I could spend this key. Oh, I might get phosphors. I'm gonna get a phosphor one. That could be that next one. Should just make a run for it. Since there was a door on the side. Run. What? Oh. Okay. Huh. Blah 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 blah. Whoa. Psycho, what are you? No. Oh my. 58. What is you? What is you? What is you? No. I don't think you'll be terrorizing today. The tar. Oh, they're bad. There's new hens, I guess. I need a lot of room. So I just found a boom slime. There's a fat blue guy. I don't want to kill you. You look awesome. Wait. What is that? Sorry, phosphorus, but Oka. This treasure pod is locked. What type in the Macarena? Oh, it's green. Oh my god, you guys are so. Oh. Get away. Sorry, Sony hens. Ooh, I want you. I want all of you. What was that? Oh, that was a golden boy. A rad slime? There's these water boys. They're the water boys. So the water boys must be like rare. But I have nowhere else to put you. I'm sorry. I don't think it'll be wise for me to have a lot of them. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. There's another one of those green pods. Won't open. If it's green. Oh, if it's green, it's probably like... I need to do something. So if there's a purple and a blue, so there must be a cat slime, a rad, and a boom slime. Sick. It's actually really cool. I thought that would have been a... I thought those were like the only slimes, but... It's Slime Rancher. You're on a ranch and there's more slimes. For the next episode to this game. And I will continue on playing, but this is a very nice, fun game. It's very peaceful. But let's hope I hope what you watched. I'm not trying to force you, but if you did like it, please leave a like or subscribe. It would be nice if you subscribed or liked. But let's... Whoa. I guess I just got an achievement. Okay. Now I'll see you in the next episode. Yeah.